Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're delving right into how to create and manage portfolios in ClickUp, the complete 2025 guide. First off, create a new portfolio by clicking on the Portfolios icon on the left side of your screen. This is a crucial step as it's the foundation of your project management strategy. Now, select New Portfolio, name it, and add a description. This helps us because it provides a clear identity for your portfolio while also giving context about what it's designed to achieve. Now that we've done that, let's add folders and lists to your portfolio. Click on the Add Lists and Folders button and select your desired lists or folders. The reason we do this is to systematically organize your projects, making it easier to track progress and manage tasks effectively. Next up, customize your portfolio view by applying filters, sorting, and grouping options. This is vital because it helps you to view your portfolio in a way that suits your unique project management needs. Once you're happy with your setup, let's move on to managing your portfolio. Here's where you can add or remove folders and lists, or change the view settings as required. This step is important as it allows you to adapt your portfolio to evolving project needs. Let me explain why this matters. In a dynamic work environment, your portfolio needs to be flexible and adaptable for smooth operations. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you can create and manage portfolios in ClickUp. Remember, efficient portfolio management is key to successful project delivery. So make the most of these features and keep your projects on track. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more tips and tricks on ClickUp.